If you've applied for something through USCIS and want to know what's happening with your case, there's a simple way to check it online. All you need is your receipt number. This is a 13-character code that USCIS gives you when they receive your application. You can find it on the notices they've sent you. It usually starts with 3 letters like EAC, UAC or IOE, followed by numbers. Now go to uscis.gov and click on Check Case Status. Type your receipt number into the box. Don't include dashes, but if there's an asterisk in your number, keep it in. Once you hit Submit, you'll see the last update on your case. It might show things like when it was received, if a decision was made, or if they need something from you. While you're there, you can also check processing times, update your address, or send in a question about your case. That's all it takes. Just a few minutes and you're up to date.